Going on, everybody? Got a couple of big name stocks on the watch list today. Two main ones are Nvidia and Tesla. See, Tesla kind of popped up out of nowhere here, really starting to take off. And if we can keep above this, the high of this candle here, it's pretty much a gap fill up until this point. I think I had it at 275. So I mean, we got a pretty clear run here for a few points. So if it ends up setting up here for gap and go opening range, I got two of them that I'm paying attention to. That was gapping up, but it's kind of gapping right into some resistance. So it looks like Tesla's going to be the one here. High at 296.82. Spread is crazy. I'm gonna take something like 50 shares. About 270. Yeah, I mean that's about a $2 risk. Nothing else is really setting up right now anyway. Probably nothing on Tesla. Not really anything on anything. Nvidia could set up for a pretty good opening range breakout if it starts to want to grind higher here. If we can not do what it's doing now. Come on. This rate I'm not going to have any trades. It's a shame too, because everything looked really good at the open. Been watching Netflix, but volume's a little low. The problem is we're right here at this 50 at about 288, and then we also got this little price action over here, which I guess we're now above. Yeah, I guess we would be above it. So if we can break above this 288, it might not be a bad trade, because there really isn't any other points of resistance. I just don't know the, so if it gets up to 288.20, the 50 might be also, I don't think it might go that high, but should be above it. Yeah, Nvidia's not doing anything, Tesla's not doing anything. I think our only chance here is Netflix popping above. If we can really start to see some volume come into it or something. not looking too good because its sector leaders are dropping, the market's dropping. Everything's looking a little bearish at the open here. Might actually get there. I'll take about 100 shares. I'll go 125. And I can take partial at 25, so that'll be good. I might get it here. Alright, man. And on the opening range break here, if we see 289, I'll start taking partials. Though it's pretty slow right now. Not liking it too much. Still bouncing. Oh, I could move. Yeah, just need to take one. It's struggling. There's not really too much going on. I don't like it. Alright, break-even trade is not terrible, but I don't know. It's too slow. It didn't take off. I mean, it came back for a retest right now, but I wasn't seeing anything. I wasn't seeing any strength at all. That's alright. There'll be better ones. Keep your losses small. Well, there's the move. I'll have to go back and rewatch the tape. Could be a decent bounce here if it wants to turn back. Jeez, other than that, there's nothing going on. Alright, if I see any more trades, I'll flip it back. Okay, I'm gonna be done for the day. I have to leave on a flight and go back home again tomorrow, or tonight. So, I mean, I'm sitting here and I'm not really that clear-headed, I guess. I just feel like I'm not all there, not on my A game, so I'm just gonna walk away while there's really nothing to look at anyway, so just another one of those days, I guess. The only trade I took was on Netflix. Looking back, obviously if I held it would have been a winner, but I know the best opening range break trades that I have don't act at all like how Netflix was acting, so I mean, I don't blame myself at all for getting out when I got out. So I took it long over the break, new high day, kind of popped up there, got up to above the 289 level, and I wanted to take a profit, but it was a little too slow taking the first partial. So I ended up cutting it below, and then the rest, obviously, as it broke back down. I mean, for this entire trade, I never saw any green, any big numbers coming in. It was just slow. There was no velocity to the tape at all. I mean, it was a poor opening range breakout from the beginning, so I mean, I really don't blame myself at all for getting out when I got out. I mean, I know the best trades that I have work immediately and never turn back around, especially on an opening range breakout play. They're quick and fast, and then that's the end of it. So, I don't know, happy to exit with a pretty much break-even trade. Probably lost, I don't know, $3 on commissions or something like that. I know it's not that high with 125, so I don't know, I have to make a report card. I'm not going to be back tomorrow because I'll be back home. I'm not really sure if I'll even be back on Thursday either. So, if not Thursday, definitely Friday, but I'll be paying attention to the markets when I can. So, really all I got for today. I'll just be back when I'm back. Thanks for watching.